Think you know the African elephant? Think again. In the next 2 minutes, we'll take you into the secret world of the largest land animal on Earth and reveal some surprising truths. The African elephant isn't just big, it's brilliant. With a brain weighing over 5 kilograms, it's one of the smartest creatures in the animal kingdom. But did you know they can remember water holes from decades ago, even in drought-stricken lands? They communicate using deep rumbles, some too low for the human ear to hear. These low-frequency sounds, called infrasound, travel several kilometers underground. It's how herds stay connected even when they're miles apart. And their tusks? Not just tools for digging or fighting. They're also a record of stress and environment like tree rings. Scientists can read an elephant's tusk to uncover what it's endured throughout life. There are two types of African elephants, the savanna elephant and the forest elephant. The latter is smaller, quieter, and only recently recognized as the separate species. Forest elephants help regenerate the ecosystem by dispersing large seeds through their dung, something no other animal can do. But here's what's most powerful: elephants mourn. They grieve their dead, return to the bones of lost loved ones, and even stand vigil. These aren't just instincts, they are signs of deep emotional lives. So the next time you see an elephant, remember, behind those wise eyes is a memory, a message, and a mystery still unfolding.